This is an alarm going off. This is what keeps me up at night. We continue to see an uptick in hospitalizations.
More Omicron cases in New York and numbers that aren't looking good. Also, new mandates could be announced as early as tomorrow. Good evening. I'm Christine Johnson.
I'm Maurice Dubois. Tonight, Governor Hochul says she will address additional measures to slow the spread.
Today, we learned that there are now a total of 20 confirmed cases of the new COVID variant Omicron in New York State. 13 of those cases in the city. But it's not Omicron that has the governor so concerned. CBS 2's Aundrea Cline-Thomas live in Long Island City with more on this. Aundrea.
Well, Governor Hochul has widely left it up to local governments to implement COVID policies, but with a new variant and new cases, the governor is now prepared to step in.
I will continue to reserve the right to take other steps if necessary, and the numbers right now are not looking good.
A warning from Governor Kathy Hochul that new policies are expected Friday as COVID cases are on the rise. This as the FDA authorized Pfizer booster shots for 16 and 17-year-olds Thursday. So far, 20 cases of the new Omicron variant have been detected, mainly in the city. But for now, that's not fueling the most concern.
The uptick that we're seeing in cases and in hospitalizations reflects the Delta variant. It remains overwhelmingly the dominant strain.
More than 30 upstate hospitals suspended elective surgeries Thursday under orders from Governor Hochul, except in serious cases. Now she's requiring 1 million test kits to be distributed across the state, especially to schools, and said more measures will be added.
We are still having variants that are being created, and it's largely due to individuals not being vaccinated and basically creating a playground for this virus to continue to mutate.
Vaccinations remain the best form of protection, but state officials say only about 20% of 5 to 11-year-olds have received a shot, as new variants pose an added risk.
Those that were initially being exposed was to the Alpha variant, which wasn't wreaking as much havoc within the pediatric population. What we're starting to see is that the Delta variant is causing more concern for the pediatric population.
An encouraging sign, a surge in boosters administered in adults in recent days. Nearly 2 years in, and health officials warn it's still too soon to let our guard down. Now the question remains if the policies that will be implemented will put the rest of the state in line with what the city is already doing. We're just going to have to wait and see. Now, as for those booster shots, an added incentive. Now tickets are available to see the Rockettes if you get your booster at just a handful of locations. Reporting live from Long Island City, Queens, Aundrea Cline-Thomas, CBS 2 News.
Aundrea, thank you.